Hey folks, Weller's Utility Trailers here. I'm Jimmy Weller. I want to talk to you about this trailer right here. This is a landscape trailer. Landscape trailers have a gate on the back. They have the rail around it. This one here is aluminum. Aluminum frame, aluminum tongue, aluminum railing. The aluminum is box tubing, making it much stronger. Treated wood floor, aluminum fenders, radial tires. They're going to give you a nice smooth ride. They're not going to be bouncing all over the place. Easy lube wheel bearings. When it's time to grease your bearings, you just pop that cap off, put a grease gun on there. 5 minutes, your bearings are greased. Has brakes on both axles. The gate, look how long this gate is. So if you have a short or a low to the ground lawnmower, you don't got to worry about the deck bottoming out. Also, box tubing on the gate. The tongue, which I mentioned is aluminum, has the breakaway switch, and that jack has a wheel, so you can move it around if you need to kind of scoot it close to your vehicle to hook up to it. We have this one and many other trailers available at Weller's. It's landscape season, so come check it out. We have financing, we have rent to own. Check out wellers.com 24/7 and have a fine day.